So the food production industry or agricultural industry has a big problem in that they can't necessarily work out in advance how much food they're going to produce. When these farmers estimate how much food they're going to produce, they often do that really well, but they don't always get it 100% right. We're trying to improve that. That difference is worth hundreds of millions of dollars to the industry each year, and our efforts are in taking lots of information of the weather, the climate, how the plants are growing. We fuse it all together using artificial intelligence, and then ahead of time we can then tell those agricultural companies how much food they're likely to produce. The more we get involved, the more we can offer startups and the agricultural industry a way to become climate resilient, improve food security, and ultimately lower their footprint on nature.